Chapter 5, Natural Disasters. Unit 2, Who is responsible? In Unit 1 we read about natural disasters and began to look at how they may be dealt with. Because they are natural disasters, and, therefore, caused by nature, we may imagine that they are like an enemy that threatens us, but cannot be defeated in the normal way. Nevertheless, things can be made either better or worse. Bangladesh's large population, for example, makes things worse, while its irrigation system makes things better. In recent years, however, we have begun to realize that some disasters that seem to be natural are actually man-made. This is because we now understand more about how we are part of our environment and how, if it is changed, our lives must also be changed and, if it is damaged, disaster must threaten. The trouble is that the damage is usually done without anyone realizing it. For example, when farmers in Nepal cut down trees, they only think about the wood they need. They don't think about the rivers that will dry up under a hot sun without any shade, or the topsoil that will be washed away and cause floods in Bangladesh, or a change in climate that will bring too much or too little rain when the forests have been cut down. The problem is complex, so a variety of possible solutions must be explored. Education is probably the most important factor, but even if Nepalese farmers understood the situation more, they would still need wood in order to survive. Either they must be able to use another material instead of wood or know enough about forestry to cut wood without damaging the forest. To achieve this, however, responsibility for the problem must be shared by the whole of society, because farmers can hardly solve such a problem by themselves. In order to avoid such man-made disasters, therefore, it is important that people must learn to work with and respect each other as well as work with and respect their environment.